Yep, what is good, everybody? I'm be going over today's trade recap. Today is June 8th, 2026. Um, Pretty solid day. Uh, Past eval. We did blow an account during Asia session, but it's all good. We are out of the funded. We're out of the eval stage. We are now in the funded stage. We just now need 5 days, and we just gotta make an insane amount of money. But this week we do have CPI, so I'm expecting to make a good chunk of money off of that day and build a big buffer and then continue building off of that. But going into this morning, I was pretty bullish because of how aggressive we were moving up, as you can see. And we were in this 4 hour though. We also had an SMT on the higher time frame. We did take out the PM session highs, and we had an SMT off of that. So that was also like another thing for me. So that was like the SMT for the day that like really like, all right, we're probably just gonna go lower because we took out that liquidity area. And then we'll probably hit like the hourly, then we'll rip up higher, which made me like, all right, that's my condition, it's hourly. But today was pretty good shorts and longs. The reason why I like took a short today was because we were in a 4 hour and we're just overextended. Like I'm expecting price to go lower, back down to the hourly, so I'm just like I might as well just look for a short. But market opens and pretty much what happens is we go, market opens, and I was hoping that we hit the hourly immediately, but we did not. Kind of just, we were in this like 15-minute / 30-minute right here, which cost us to go higher. So it's just like, you know what, maybe these lows are protected, we're not going to go any higher. So here's the 30-minute right here, and then here's the 15-minute. There's two of them, so, and then I'm pretty sure there's like a lot of 5 minutes, but 5 minutes don't really matter that much. I mean, sure there's this, they're pretty far, but we inversed this 5 minute and this one too, but I don't know. I was like married to my bias. I was just like, I like longs. This should be okay. And I remember, I think I wanted to take a long somewhere. I forgot where. I think this 1 minute. So I actually had I put a limit order off of this 1 minute, and I got break even. I put a limit order and I put it at the bottom of this wick right here. You can't see it because of the hard colors, but I put it at the bottom of this wick, 16 point, and I literally got edged. I got filled, and I remember getting in, and pretty much it just like edged me by like 200 points or $200, or like 300 roughly, and it's just like, dang, all right, it's okay. But then that's when I realized we were also in this 5 minute on the higher time frame right here. So it's just like, if we don't inverse this 5 minute, I'm gonna like shorts. But unfortunately, I had to use the restroom. And yeah, I missed the 30-second inversion, so I took a late entry. But it was somewhere around here. So we kept on going back up, and I'm pretty sure some people probably took this 1 minute right here, probably got cooked, and then we just went back down. And yeah, so my entry should have been up here, like an off a 30-second. So shorts from like around here all the way down to the hourly. I don't need the whole entire move. I probably needed like 70 points just to pass my account, just to make 4K. That's all I really needed today. And then my stop loss probably would have been like very tight at the high up here, 27 point stop loss, and probably less. It was probably like higher up. I don't know. I don't remember. But I went to the restroom and I saw that we had an SMT. We just formed one. We're in this 5 minute. I'm just like, we just hit the 4 hour. My condition is this 1 hour. We're gonna bounce off of this 1 hour regardless, no matter what. So I was just like, all right, that's what we want. That's what we want to take out. All this low resistance liquidity. This was my other condition. You know, we just want to take out all of this and then go lower. So I went to the restroom and we have these, like, we're just like in this range, and I ended up just shorting like right here. And then immediately, like, in less than like a minute and a half, I pretty much banked and made like 4K. And that was it. And then we hit the hourly, which was my condition, and then we bounced off of it immediately. The one trade that I would have taken would have been this one right here, this 1 minute. I don't like this 1 minute because it's too big. It's like 50-point move, and like if you were to take a long, like, it's way too big. I personally trade micros, so it's just, I'm risking. If I did 2 contracts, this is around 2K. Way too much. I like this, but I'd rather me take a limit order down here and put my stop loss down here. And this would have been my limit order, and then my TP would have been the high up here for the day. So, and then my stop loss down here. First 2K. I risk 500 to make 5K. I'd probably do 2 cons just to make close to 10K, but you're just like me, you like to, you do this. And this was probably like the trade that would have done it for me. I like this one. Do like a limit order. And mostly because also I drew a fib out. My fib was actually in line with this as well. My entry would have been probably down here, actually. So let's say my fib, if I draw this to here to here, I'm gonna get rid of this hourly because I don't need it anymore. I know the hourly's there, but my entry would have been here. It would have been a 24-point stop loss, and I would have just placed a buy limit. TP, same TP area. It would have been 26. If I wanted to, I can go a little higher. Probably in the middle of this range right here. And my stop loss down here. And then boom, I'm in there. I barely get any drawdown. Only $700. Pretty sick. But this would have been, it would have been here, here, and this would have been the trade for me if I use my fib. Pretty sick trade. And TP actually got edged near the end of the session, or the middle of the session. Then it ripped up, and then yeah. This is also another good trade right here. This 5 minute. This you get a pre-fired, took like a 30-second right here. And just long to this high up here. And stop loss there. For like a 1 to 6 or R. It probably was like right here. Or you like get in down here somewhere off like a 15-second. Because there's a 5 minute here. Yeah, right here. So like if you just want like a small piece of the pie, since it's like later into the session. So your 5 minute entry would have been here and then just rip up. But yeah, so this was like the trade, another trade, good trade. Shorts and longs played out, but this one's pretty sick. This is a pretty sick trade. It's good to see that the fib works. But yeah, that's it. That's pretty much a trade recap. SMT above, external SMT, so an outside one, so like the big one, and an internal, so like one inside of the range. So pretty good, really helped out for the day. And then we have this hourly tap and then into, yeah, whatever trade. Could have done the fib, or you could have just took a limit order and you would have gotten filled right here, and you just hold it up until this high, 20k. Anywhere between 4 to 20k, depends how many contracts you do. And yeah, that's it. That's pretty much a trading day. I don't have anything else to go over. Yeah, it looks like we're just still going up. Like, if I wanted to, I could have held all the way up here. Crazy. Yeah, this would have been nice. Or if I got in like down here. That's 3k. That's 30k right there for 5 pounds. Pretty sick. Yeah. But yeah, that's it. I'm done for the day. I'm gonna get off. Counts are passed. Show you guys proof real quick. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry if I flashbanged you. This is the P&L. Well, I actually activated the other account, so yeah, this is the one account that I reset today, and then this is the other account that is passed now. So tomorrow I'm just gonna need to make $4,062. So yeah, I don't have anything else to say really, but I hope you enjoyed, and I will catch you guys in the next one later. I'm gonna make some groups. Well, but yeah. All right, later, guys.